It is another milestone registered into the country's major infrastructure projects. This time, officials of the National Water and Electricity Company Limited NAWEC are visiting some of their project sites under construction by the Indian company Shapoorji Pallonji at Mahmuda, Jambur Sukuta water treatment plants.
Almost about 10 boreholes have been dug, all completed now, just waiting for the transmission line to be connected so that pumping can start in earnest. As you have seen, they've already started pumping from one of the boreholes, but we still have a number of boreholes that are still out there, almost about 9 additional, that's going to be about 10. That will be available hopefully in the next coming 2 months.
The 4-year project seeking to replace asbestos pipes and extend the country's water supply network was launched in 2017 through a line of credit from India's Exim Bank worth $22.5 million. Shapoorji Pallonji has already completed 85% of ongoing works, and NAWEC officials are counting on its proven track record of delivery to ease the current state of water challenges experienced by consumers in the Greater Banjul area.
When these boreholes are ready, we are very optimistic that the production capacity will be increased significantly, and that will help to reduce the complaints that we are currently experiencing from our customers.
The visiting delegation also inaugurated the water treatment plant called G+1 building at Fajara, which has been already completed by Shapoorji Pallonji as part of the company's effort to meet set targets.
Today is one thing we want to do is to hand over this building. The contractor is ready to hand over this other component because now we are in the handing over phase. We have seen it earlier in the beginning in the morning. You have seen the borehole. Already the pump is installed. We tested and you see the water was flowing out already. The transmission line from the boreholes all the way to the treatment plant completed. From the treatment plant to Fajara and Kanifing also the transmission lines completed. So by and large, 97% of that part of the work is completed.
I think we have all seen the efforts that have been done under this project. 10 boreholes or 9 boreholes have been built, and each one of them will be discharging something like 125,000 liters of water per hour. And if that is done, hopefully the water problem that we have will be alleviated to an extent that we will match the expectation of the growing population.
With a raft of projects bankrolled by NAWEC meant to ease the demand for water in the Gambia, the Indian company Shapoorji Pallonji has now on its feathers the task to complete work as scheduled. The recent visit by the management of the utility giant, however, recognizes the 85% of progressive works already completed, despite devastating effects of COVID-19. A move the NAWEC MD say will help them start other projects ahead of the 2022 OIC Summit in the Gambia.
We still have some other line of projects that are also coming. We have funding from the OIC, the conference that's going to be held here. We have funding from them to the tune of about $22.5 million as well. And similar to this one, we'll have additional almost about 10 boreholes that are going to be drilled, and there will be a treatment plant and also a distribution network as well.
Mustafa Dawo, GRTS.